A very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about action in progress. Okay, from the very word itself we know. What are action words, my dear children? Come on, tell me. What are action words? Come on. Action words are? Very good. Action words are doing words. Okay, we do an action. So can you tell me a few examples for action words?
Driving, cooking,
Yes.
eating.
Okay, drive, cook, eat, play, walk. Okay, very good. So these are the examples of doing words. Doing words are also called as action words. Okay, so they're also called as verb. Okay, all of you keep your audios muted, my dear. All of you, during the session, please don't talk. Okay, so we know that action words are doing words and they are called as verb. Okay, clear to all of you? Now, action in progress means what? What do you do to the verb? What do you do to the verb when it is action in progress? Come on, tell me. What do you do to the verb? One is opening your mouth. Yes, what do you do to the verb? You add ing, that's all. You add ing to the verb to show that that action is in progress. Progress means what? What do you mean by the word progress? Progress means it's ongoing. Okay, it is continuous. So what do we do to the verb? We add, come on, tell me, we add ing to the verb to show that the action is ongoing or continuous. We can use different terms for it. Or we can say that the action is in progress. Clear? So let's move on to the topic. Okay, all of you, please look at the slide very carefully. Okay, keep your pencils, everything down and sit straight, all of you. Okay, all of you please do sit straight. Yes, so we are on the topic action in progress, worksheet 7. Okay, now, so we all of us know what is a verb is. Verb is an action word. Actions done by someone or something. It is also called as doing words. Okay, so verb is a word that denotes an action. We know who does the action here. Either it is done by someone or something. Okay, and it is also called as doing word. Clear to all of you? Now, these are few examples for you. We go to school in the morning. Lara eats fruits every day. Okay, Lara eats fruits. So go and eats are the action words here. Okay, is that clear to all of you? Yes, am I audible to everyone? Am I audible, my dear?
Yes.
Okay. 1 minute, my dear. Wait for a minute. It's okay. All of you look at this. So we know these are the examples of action words. All of you look at the slide very carefully. The last slide we have already seen it. Okay, in the last session. So the action words, these are the examples of action words. All of you look at the slide very carefully. Dance, walk, read. All these are the examples of action words. Now all of you look at the slide. What the picture you can see here? What is the picture? You can see a run, play, eat. So these are the examples of action words. Okay, so now all of you look at the board here. So what do we do to the verb in order to show that the action is in progress or in continuous? We do add ing to the verb. What do we add, children? Ing to the verb to show that the action is ongoing. You can see a girl dancing there. The action is ongoing process. It is a continuous process. So we do add ing. Yes. She is dancing on the stage. The dancing is going on there. Okay, she's still dancing. So at the time of the action, when is going on at the time of speaking, so that action is called as action is in progress. So to the action word, what do? We add ing to the verb. Clear? Now all of you look at the slide, only then you will learn it. All of you look here very, very carefully. You can see a boy. What is he doing? He is making. What is he making? He is making some project. For school project, he is making some activity there. So he is making his school project. So to the make, what we have done? We have added ing to the verb to show that the action is ongoing. Okay, so to the verb, what we have done? We have added ing to the verb to show that the action is ongoing. Clear to all of you? Now all of you, let's move on to the next example. What is the boy is doing there?
He is writing.
Writing. So writing. So writing means the process. Yes, on the blackboard. You can see a boy writing on the blackboard. Okay, so the process is he's still writing there. So we do add ing to the verb. Clear? Now all of you look at this. What is the boy is doing there? He's going to school by bus. Okay, he's waiting for the bus. The bus has come. He's going to go. He's going. Okay, he's going to school by bus. So to the go verb, we have added ing to the verb. Okay, to show that the action is in progress. By bus. Now what you can see in this picture?
He is reading a book.
Yes, he is reading a book. Yes. ing. He is reading a book. Okay. Now what is the water is there? Come on, tell me. Water is?
The water is going with great speed.
Not moving. You can see flowing.
Flowing.
Water is flowing with great speed. Okay. Okay, flowing. Now what are the children doing there? They are playing in the park. Okay, they are playing in the park. So you have to write there playing. You can see the action is going on there. So we have to add ing to the verb. Okay, clear to all of you? Now have all of you understood? Now we have seen certain words, children. Now we are going to learn the ing form. For when we add ing, it is not the same as we add for all the words. Have you understood? Have you noticed that while we add ing, yes children? Page number, I'll tell you, I told you to keep 18 and 19 page number open. Okay, these all pages will not be there. The clear explanations also is not there. That's why I'm giving you the explanation there. Just keep your workbook open. Exercise will be doing it there. Explanation, for the explanation part, you look at the slide very carefully. Okay, so we have noticed that certain words here, making. Okay, how we have added ing to it, that is what we are going to learn now. Okay, so let's learn the form of adding ing to the verb. When we add ing to the verb, children, to all the words are not the same. Okay, so form the ing form of the verb by adding ing to the verb. So the first form is that when we add ing to the verb, the first form tells us as just adding ing to the verb form. Okay, so keep plus ing, what you will be getting? It is keeping. Do plus ing, it is doing. Sing plus ing, it is singing. Is that clear? So the first form tells us that you have to just add ing to the verb. So there is, in the spelling, there's no much change. Just adding ing to the verb form. Clear? Now all of you please do take your rough book. All of you please do take your rough book. Now we are going to learn forming the ing form. There are different forms of adding ing to the verb form. Okay. So when we add ing to the verb, the spellings changes for certain words. But for these words, there is no much change as such. That is the first form. Okay? When you add ing to the verb, no much of changes. You have to just add ing to the verb. So keep plus ing is keeping. Do plus ing is doing. Sing plus ing is singing. Similarly, play plus ing it is. Play plus ing it is. Playing. All of you please do play. All of you take your workbook. Sorry, all of you take your rough book. Rough book and write this once in your rough book. Keep plus ing. Come on, write. Write all of you. Have all of you taken your workbook? Sorry, have all of you taken your rough book? Yes? Yes, take it.
Then what write?
You have to write this.
Can you circle, ma'am, what we should write?
Yes, I'll show you. Wait.
Ma'am, heading.
1 minute, my dear. No heading as such. You're going to write it in your rough book.
Right. Ma'am, right.
Yes, right.
This not.
Yes, I can't. Yes, now you, all of you please do write this. Keep plus ing.
From.
Yes, right there. Keep. K-E-E-P. Keep. Plus ing. When you add ing to the verb, there is no much of change. What you have to do, it is the same. Keep plus ing, it is keeping. Okay? So come on, write the word keep. Keeping. All of you please do write it.
Answer is there. Ma'am, like that right?
Yes, you have to write it. First, first let us learn. There are 3 ways of adding ing, children. First, there is no much change in the word. Okay, that is the first form. Write all of you. Write it only once. Can you hear me? Yes. Have you all of you finished? Now all of you write the second word. Do plus ing. Write it in your rough book, my dear children. So what you will get? Doing. Please do write it. So we need to learn ing form. For all the words it is not the same. Okay. So do plus ing, it is doing. Come on, write.
This is writing.
Yes, you have to write it in your rough book. Notes, I will send it to you. Okay. So do plus ing, it is doing. Come on, write. Sing. Yes, sing plus ing. Write the third one. Sing plus ing. So what you write there? Singing. So all of you please do write.
That's all, ma'am, to write.
Yes, you please carry on with your work. Okay. You have still
Ma'am,
more.
that's all to only write.
You please carry on, my dear. We have just started with our work. Play plus ing. Yes, that's all.
And this one only write.
Carry on writing. Okay. Now write it. These 4 words you write. Keep plus ing, it is keeping. Do plus ing, it is doing. Sing plus ing, it is singing. And play plus ing, it is playing. Come on, write it. Finished? All of you finished? Have all of you finished?
Ma'am, play plus. Ma'am, play plus ing, right?
What is that?
Play we need to write.
Yes. Play plus ing, it is playing. Sing plus ing, it is singing. keep plus ing it is keeping, and do plus ing it is doing. Okay, the first form is very simple. Just add ing to the verb. There is no much change in the verb. Okay, that is keeping, doing, singing.
There is an answer.
That's okay, we are learning just now. Answers, let it be there. First let us learn what it is, okay? Come on, have all of you finished? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
All of you finished this? Can we move to the next slide?
Okay.
If you are finished, let's move on to the next slide. Finished?
Yes.
Yes, have all of you finished? Have all of you written the 4 words? The first rule is that just adding ing to the verb form. Okay, there is no much change in the spelling. So keep plus ing it is keeping. Go plus ing it is going. Okay, so play plus ing it is playing. Sing plus ing it is singing. Okay, clear to all of you? Yes? Let's move on to the second rule of adding ing to the verb. Okay, so all of you please have a look at it. The second rule says that when you add ing to the verb ending in e, what you will do? Okay, these are the spelling rules. When you add ing to the verb that ends in e, what you have to do before adding ing to the verb, what happens to the e? E drops out. Okay, then you add ing. So all of you please do write the word close, C-L-O-S-E plus ing. So this word close has an e at the end of the word. So when you add ing to it, what happens to the e? E drops out. Okay, so before adding ing to it, e drops out. So closing. Come on, write it.
Ma'am.
Okay, similar word we saw it in the examples also. Making.
Ma'am, we want
Yes.
to write.
Yes, you have to write it. So have you noticed here make? What's the spelling of make it is? M-A-K-E. So when you added ing to it, what happens to the e? E drops out and you add ing to it. Okay, so we have to learn the spelling rules of ing. Otherwise, when you write the sentences, children, you will make errors. Okay, it is not the same for all the words. It differs from word to word. So we have to learn the certain rules of adding ing to it. So first rule is that just adding ing to the verb form. There is no much change. Second rule says that if the word end in e, what we have to do? The e drops out. Okay, the final e drops before adding ing to it. So it is closing. Okay, so similarly write the next word move. Move plus ing. It is moving. Come on, write. Write the second word. If you are finished with the first word, move on to the second word. Move plus ing. Moving. Come on, write all of you. I wanted to see you all. Abel, have you finished? Prithvi, have you finished?
No, ma'am.
Yes, come on, write.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Star.
Ma'am, Fardeen
I
finished.
have completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, Fardeen finished.
Okay.
Ma'am. rough book also finished.
Rough book, rough book.
T-shirt. Man also finished.
Okay. So now write the third word share. Ing. It is sharing. So when we learn action in progress, the spelling is very important. When we add ing to the verb form, certain changes happens to the word. Okay, when you add ing to it. So we need to learn the spelling rules too. Okay. Only then when you construct the sentences in our workbook, you can write it properly using the correct spelling. Otherwise you will make errors.
What is means of errors, ma'am?
What is it?
What is the means of errors?
Error means mistakes.
Okay.
Have you finished? Close, move and share. Okay. So has a verb, it is close. When you add ing, what happens to the verb here when you add ing? It drops out. Okay, add ing to it. Come on, do it fast.
Completed.
All of you completed it? Is there anyone still writing?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Dash. Yes. If you're finished with have you all finished with the third word share plus ing, it's sharing? Okay. Yes, have all of you learnt it? Okay, so when you add, even for the word write, when you add ing to the verb write, what happens? E drops out. Before you add ing to it, E drops out and you add ing to it. So writing. Similarly with the word make, make it is. So what happens? E drops out when you add ing to it. So making. Okay, so remember the spelling rules. It's very, very important. So have all of you understood the second rule now, my dear children? What the second rule says that? Yes, when you add ing to the words that end in E, what happens to the E? It drops out when you add ing to it. Okay, so E drops out. Okay, so it is closing. E and I will not come together. Okay. Is that clear? When you add ing to it. Have all of you finished? Let's move on to the third rule.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now all of you look at this rule here. This rule says that we double the last letter we double the last letter before adding ing to the verb. But we have to check the letter before the last letter. If it is a vowel, what we have to do to the last letter? The last letter should be doubled. Clear to all of you? Have you understood? For example, fit, F-I-T, fit. The last letter should be doubled unless the letter before the last letter, it should be a vowel letter. So you have to double the vowel, double the last letter. Okay? All of you please see that. So it is fit plus ing, it is fitting. F-I-T-T-I-G. Okay? So you have to double the last letter. But you have to, let's check the letter before the final letter. If it is a vowel, you have to double the last letter. Okay? Now all of you please do write there. Fit plus ing. It is fitting. F-I-T-T-I-N-G. Fitting. Come on, write. It is fitting. Okay? Pin plus ing. It is spinning. Come on, write the first word, all of you. So these are some of the rules when we add ing to the verb form. The spellings changes. So when we write the spelling should be right. Okay, the last letter should be doubled while you add ing to the verb, but not for all the letters. Just check whether the letter before the last letter, if it is a vowel, then you have to double the last letter. Okay, that's what it tells you. Not for all the words, only the letter before the last letter if it is a vowel. Then you have to double the last letter. Okay, while adding ing to it. Have you all of you understood? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, write it. Unless you write, you will not learn, my dear. These are spellings.
Ma'am, finish it.
Okay, finished.
All can finish.
Okay.
I'm finished.
Yes. If you're finished with the first word, let's move on to the next word, that is spin. P-I-N, it is spin plus ing. So when you add ing to it, the last letter should be doubled. That is spinning. P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Come on, write it in your off book. Pinning. Okay. What about the rest?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now let's move on to the next word. That is a third word, that is drop. Drop plus ing, it is dropping. So see, the last letter, it should be double. The letter before the last letter, it is a vowel. So what we have to do, we have to double the last letter. Okay, D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G. The next exercise, when we meet children, the next session, I will come up with different exercises of adding ing to it. Okay. So now let's learn the rules. Okay, let us be familiar with the rules first. These are the 3 rules, children. First, just adding ing to it. Okay, there's no much of change in the words. The second rule says that when you add ing to the words that end in e, what do you have to do to the e? Drop them out, drop the e out and add ing to it. Okay, so the words like fit, pin and drop, it says that the last letter should be doubled unless the letter before the last letter, it should be a vowel. So the last letter should be doubled. Okay, before adding ing to it. Double the last letter before adding ing to it. Okay, so fitting, pinning, dropping. Come on, write it.
I'm finished.
Finished.
I'm finished.
Okay,
I'm finished. I can come.
okay, okay.
I'm finished.
Okay, have all of you finished?
Happy birthday.
Whose happy birthday it is? Ishan. Where is Ishan? Ishan, many happy returns of the day. Ishan, I couldn't see you properly. It is very dark.
Happy birthday, Ishan.
Many happy returns of the day, my dear Ishan. May God bless you. Why you are very sad? Why is it you are very sad, my dear? Yes? Yes, okay. So, okay. So, have all of you finished, my dear children? Yes? Now, let's move on to the yes, let's move on to this exercise. Let's move on to this exercise. If you have finished writing, have all of you finished? Yes? Have all of you finished? Okay? So, we have learned 3 rules. Children, please do mute it. All of you please do listen very carefully. So what we have learned about 3 rules. What are the 3 rules we learned? Well, the first rule is that when you add ing, just add ing to the verb. Okay, that's the first form. Second form is that if the words end in E, what you have to do? Write. What you have to do to the word? Drop the E and add ing to it. Okay. And what is the third form is that? The last letter should be doubled before adding ing to it. So before adding doubling the last letter, please do check whether the letter before the last letter, it is a vowel. Okay, children, have all of you understood?
Yes.
Vowel. Okay then. So have all of you finished with this?
Yes.
Yes. So we have to do the exercise. When we meet for the next class, we have to complete the exercise which is there in page number 18 and 19. Okay. So let's wind up today's session.
Yes.
Yes, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, my dear children. Thank you all. Bye-bye, all of you. Bye, my dear. Yes, thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.